Hey guys, just a quick video on how to install the Battery Shunt Monitor app. So first things first, you're going to make sure that you're actually connected to the internet. So we aren't here, so you have to turn that on and then connect to your Wi-Fi. Now keep in mind, if you have your CarPlay still turned on, you want to go here, quickly press the settings cog there and make sure that's off. Otherwise your phone is going to continually keep trying to connect to CarPlay. So once you've got that sorted, you want to go to the Play Store. And if you have a Google account, I think I'm still logged in. Yep, cool. So I'm going to search for Smart Battery Monitor. There we go. And you want to just press install. We've already installed it here. All you do is press install here. And there you go. The app is installed. Cool. So should be able to connect with your battery monitor. We don't have this connected to one at the moment, and it should work great.